Hey friend, hey, welcome to or welcome back to Stay Calm and Budget. I'm glad you guys are here. It's the end of January, so let's see where our sinking funds ended up. Stay tuned. Hey friends, welcome to and welcome back to Stay Calm and Budget. It is time to end our January sinking funds. Well, not ended, but see how much we have at the end of January. I know that we probably won't have $2,712, being that we spent the whole traveling fund of $399 at the wedding, but let's see what we have. So we're going to start with our people binder, and yes, I've been working on my framing. We're going to start with Shania. So let's see what Shania has at the end of January. 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So Shania has 344. It's 344. This back, so it looks like that we added a $40 right there. I'm gonna see how good my math is, right? Opening up Miss Nadia, we have, make sure these are all in order, 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 45, 55, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 359. And that is a plus 40 for her. Move it on to the baby, Kaimana. Okay, let's see, making sure that hers is all in order. Nope. I'm glad I did this before I started counting, because then I'd be like, oh wait, got to start all over. We have 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 3, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 45, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 477, 477, and that is a plus 40 there. So far it's been easy to do the deltas. I know I'm gonna have to use my calculator. Hold on, I gotta fix this. This is so bothering me. Can I have no wrinkly bills in here? Okay, Pumbaa. We have 20, 40, 60. So Pumbaa, we have 60, and that is a plus 40 for him. Allowance, we did pay allowance out. Did I have allowance up here? Yeah, $200. I think nothing has changed. I think we're back up to 200. Let's see. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200. Yeah, we're back up at 200. So we really didn't do too much for allowance. That is 0. Or I could have just put, a line. I don't know. I guess I just needed to see a number there. Okay, my brother, he has 20, 31, 32, 33. Ah, he did go up. 33, $150, so that is a plus $10 there. Gifts, gifts up here, yeah. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 35. So that is a plus 10. All right, and we don't have anything for all main, all crap. All right, put that away. Let's bring out this binder. Okay, so HOA, do I have it up here? Nope. Okay. And health, do I have health up here? Yes. It's funny because sometimes I forget what I'm tracking and what's not. It makes sense to not track the HOA, the homeowners association, because it's being paid out, right? So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So health, we have 70, and that is a plus 20. Date night family time, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, 75, 85, 95. So that's 95. That's a plus 20. And traveling, we have 25 because I just stuffed this, so that's the big hit. 25. I'm bringing out the calculator for this one, y'all. So it's $399, subtract 25. So that is a minus 374. I knew it was pretty big. Household, which is home improvement, we have, make sure these are in order, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 92, 10. So we have 210 in household, 210, what is that? So 210, subtract 1, what was it at, 150, 150. So that's a plus 60, y'all. That's pretty good. Pretty darn good. All right. Car, Loring, Rins, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 90. Didn't even know I had a 50 in there, but boom, we got that. 90. Car Loring. Wait. Do I have it all? Why is car Loring at 150? Did I mess up? Oh, no, I didn't. I said 190. 190. So that's plus 40. Let's just count that just one more time. 20, 40, 60, 81, 150, 170, 190. Okay. Just in case. Just for GP, right? Car maintenance. We have, make sure I didn't get anything, 20, 40, 60, 81, 100, and that's plus 40. All right, so that's it for our hum binder. Now some of these are in our savings challenge, making so much noise, you guys. Some of these, 2 of these are in our savings challenge, which is hair and that snowball. We know that that snowball, we did reach our 500, but we'll count that for recording purposes. All right, so beauty is hair, and we started out at 120. Let's see where we are. All right, this looks like it's in order. 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75, 81. All right. Here we at 181, which is what? How much is that? $61. $61. Okay, that snowball, which we're gonna use to our next debt. We just paid off one. Ooh, 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 this makes me sing when I talk about it. So, alrighty. See how this go. I see some things out of order. Let's put this 10s, 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 20, 20s, 20s, and 50 up here. And I got another 10 out of place. Oh, slip and slide, dip and dive. That's fine. All right, so that snowball, we have 51, 52, 50, 50. Let's bring out the calculator. We have 250. Bring it in frame, why don't you? 250, right there. 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 80. Plus 80. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91. 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 80, 92. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 240. What'd I do, y'all? 240 plus 20, 40, 60, 80. 1, 20, 40, 60, 80. 280 plus, I'm tripping. Am I tripping? Did I put more money in here? I think I did. Okay, woosah. Let's get this together. Stay calm and let's budget, right? 51, 52, 50. 250 plus, see, I'm getting mad at the calculator. 20, 40, 60, 80. 100. 20, 40, 60, 80. 80. I did put more in here. I remember now. $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $70, $80, $90, $100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 92. 200. 5, 10, 15, 20. 20. $780 that we have in our debt snowball. I think I had put the extra money that I had left over. It's $750 from my sinking funds envelope stuffing. So that's plus $370. Wow, that's pretty good. It's really good. Let's stuff all this back in here. Alrighty, so I think I got everything. Let's put this up. And let's scoot this over. And I want to change my marker. And let's add this up. Oh my goodness, guys, I did not believe that we had that much in our sinking funds. I honestly believe that. I know we went up in some, but I thought that this right here, traveling, was going to hurt us. Man, oh man. So for these two, the delta for these two, it would be, friend, we added on plus $417. Let's see if that equals out. So it's 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 20 plus 40 plus 61 plus 20 minus 374 plus 60 plus 40 plus 370 plus 10 plus 10. Yep, 417. 417. Oh my goodness gracious, you guys. Let's highlight that in green because we are in the positive. Green. All right. Oh my gosh. Look, I'm all flustered and stuff. That is amazing, you guys. Like I said, if I can do it, you can do it too. I believe in you guys. Always remember, something's better than nothing. Keep it going, keep it growing, keep it moving. All those things that I say might be the right way, might be the wrong way, but still you do all the things that I just mentioned right there. Anywho, let me stop rambling. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting me. Until next video, I see you later. Bye.